I am so excited to show you that we have ribbons. Boy, do we have ribbons. And we have done them by color this time. So we've got a red set, a light pink, a magenta and dark pink, a yellow, an orange, an ivory, a green, a blue, and a teal aqua, a purple, brown, white, and black. Something for everything if they're going to match every single thing you have. Now, I'm not going to go into every single one because you can see the listing of them and the photograph on the individual product pages, but I just wanted to show you what they have in common, and I'll use the red one as an example. Every single ribbon is 36 inches long. If there is baker's twine or jute in it, that's going to be 72 inches. You're going to have 12 ribbons or 12 ribbons and baker's twine or 12 ribbons and jute in each collection. And what I love, Lene selected all of these, is that every single one has at least one, if not multiple, specialty ribbons. And we're particularly fond of this velvet glitter ribbon. We love the shine, but we love the fact that it doesn't come off on our fingers. So wherever possible, there's one that matches the ribbons. There's also, there might be a metallic ribbon in it. There's, as I said, there's going to be different widths. So you're going to see this is a stitch. There's going to be a, in this case, there's a gingham, there's a grosgrain, there's sheer. So a lot of variety of ribbons is true in every single collection, and we just think that these are going to be so useful for all of our paper crafting needs.